Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at the Asana.com, the best project management software. So let's go for it. Let's get started. First, we're gonna all you need to do is to go on Asana.com, the URL page. You can just simply go to the Google and type Asana.com, and once you get it, you see the landing page like this. So first, we're gonna take a look at all the platform. Then we're gonna go through with the logins detail. So in this platform, as I told you, you're gonna handle all of your project management software, the ID operation, the CL department. You're gonna handle with that platform, the best platform for cross-functional work. So uh, let's get started. So you can manage complex work easy. You can simply connect what you need to get done and who is doing it and by when that. You can just simply plan all the database management, develop that the framework. You can write your brief campaign and finalize the launch plan. That's it. That's all you need to do. Then you have to develop all the different contact, different meeting structures, marketing materials, and you can review the campaign assets. Then organize and assign tasks with list team. See immediately that what you need to do with tasks, what are your priorities, and what your work is due. So in that case, the timeline, you can just see how work map over time, manage in dependent overlapping and unscheduled tasks, and create plan your team can count on. With some different board, make it easy for your team to focus on task currently at hand. Define each stage of work to see what important and where things are getting stuck. Stuck. So you can prioritize priorities, like what are the different priorities, revenue driving work. Asana helps you organize complex work across team to drive business outcome. With automatic workflows, you can just simply put your tasks on the autopilot, like assigning them. It will get you automatic, get your workflow. Okay. um, you can just connect your tools to Asana. We have more than 200 plus integrations, so you can just use your favorite work tools to communicate, collaborate, and coordinate work in workplace from start to finish. Now, with every hour with Microsoft Teams, Google Sheets, Zoom, Adobe Creative Cloud, Google Calendar, Harvest, these are different integrations. You can just simply connect with that platform, the Asana.com. So it's up to you whether you wanted to start with a pre-built template for marketing, operations, product lens from a demo account, or even you can talk with a support team. Asana definitely gonna help you with that. Start with a template, see Asana in action. You can see with different camo and all. You can talk with the sales department, the management department. How I can start my project, man? This is not going to happen for. You can just simply go through that. You can try the number one hashtag software in project and project management software. Simply click on get started. Now we're gonna go ahead and get started. There we go. Simply click on get started. It will get you to another page. Just wait and watch. It gets you still simply sign up with that platform. Now by signing up, you need to agree the assigned privacy policies and terms and services. Then you have to get to the name of your company. Let me just put in here. Um, okay, so it will get you to verify the email address, and you can just open your email address, your Outlook, or even your Yahoo. And once you receive the email, once you verify your email address, you can team get started with Asana. You can just simply see the different template, the outsourcing template, and get you that. And if you just take a look at, you know, this is how you can just go through with that platform. With you can handle all of your project management softwares and different um, terminologies. And so once you verify, it will get you the different management software. You're gonna I'll let you know in a different video, in the next video, or Right now, that's all you need to know. Well, basically, you need to know what's Asana.com, what are different project management softwares, and I'll discuss in the next video that how you can verify the email address and how you can just create your own template. Now you can how you can create the contact, you can content the different management software. How can you manage all these things? I'll let you know in the next video. Okay, so that's all guys, that's up for today. So if you like that video, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.